Hello, this is Sabrina from Faileas Creations, and today I will be showing you how to make these absolutely lovely, lovely earrings. Now, if you're following me, I just did a video of a bead haul that I received off of eBay, and these earrings is something that I made from that bead haul. Also, these wire wrap bracelets, but that's going to be another video. Okay, so again, I made these earrings from the bead haul with excluding these the findings, the pins there. I got these at Recraft down in Greenville, South Carolina. $3 for this whole entire bag. So we're going to get started. So what I do is because it is something that I know, like this tray right here was obviously, new, didn't look like there was much used out of it. But I still like to go ahead and, no matter what, is to spray stuff off and just wipe it off. So, again, I got 2 pins from a haul that I'd done previously. I'm going to clean these off. And it really does help a lot to go back and clean stuff. Sometimes even if it's new, you don't know. Sometimes dust settle and. So all of these, let me see if you can see. I left the screen big. This right here was the tray that I got, but there was a lot of bags. So once I started making things, making the bracelets, it left a lot of holes, and I dumped out some of the bags in there. Was a ton of memory wire stuff, and that's what I want to focus on. So, memory wire, you know, here's a memory wire bracelets, memory wire. But this wire can be used for a ton of other stuff. So what I do, I cut pieces. These pieces is 2 inches long. These pins is actually 2 inches as well, a little over 2 inches. Okay. Sometimes a simple video I like to stretch out. I do that because you guys really need to learn the importance of certain things. And one thing is cleaning everything as you go along. There we go. So right now the only thing I'm going to do is put all my beads on the wire just the way it is on this one. Now let's see if these fit or fit and it did. That did really nice. I like keeping the like this. This is red. And then I'm going to do a green. I don't know why, but people tend to really like that. They tend to, it is a marketing thing. Is when people see something, even though they're not going to want to buy it, if they see green, blue, yellow, silver, in their head, they think, which one of them do I like? They was never planning on buying it. They was just seeing the different colors, and they'll say, think to themselves, which one do I like? And they end up buying it. Don't know how that works. It's just the way it is. Now, we're going to do the second one. Everything. I always do that. No, I flip that around. In your bicone. Okay, now, everybody have their thing that they do. For me, the measuring, it'll drive me crazy. So when I'm picking this up, you see the width of that right there. and that's what I use. Be careful not to put it down where the teeth are, because it'll cut it. We're going to put it down right there, just as a measurement. Same measurement here. Now we're going to wrap the access wire there. Imagine where you want it at. You see right there, that tip for me. And wrap it right around there. I'm just going to slide it. There we go. Make sure that's positioned just right. And what we're going to do, we're going to put that right down to where we can clearly see it. And we're going to do this other one. Imagine where you want it at, about right there. Reposition it. Move it right around. We're going to make sure that this is right there at that circle. Middle of that circle lines up with that line there. Just like that. I'm going to pick these up. Look and see. We're doing great. There we go. Now, I'm going to very patiently wrap this around that wire, okay? Okay, wrap it all the way down to that bead. We're at 10 minutes, guys. I'm hurrying, and I'm going to speed this up. Okay, both is wrapped. Now it is time for us just to cut the access off. And we're going to get it just as close as we possibly can there. And we're going to squeeze that. Okay, that's done. Now what we need to do next is make the ear wire. And that is going to be made from that memory wire. Okay, so the first thing that I like to do is we're going to wrap it. Memory wire is tempered, so my understanding is that they heat it up, they bang on it to where it don't move and lose its shape. Well, the thing of it is it can be moved some to make your loops, but it will slightly bend back, not all the way, but it will slightly do it. So we're going to go on and just do a relatively big loop, and again it takes a little bit of effort turning it. We're going to go a little smaller once it's almost touching. There we go. Now I don't know if y'all can see this or not, but just look back just a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to put this down because the only thing we're trying to do is make sure we do an even, that it looks the same on each one. Right there in the middle. Twist it, twist it. We'll go right over it just a little bit. There we go. Two pretty good and even loops. Now we're just going to slide it down. There you go. Pops right in that little spot. I actually love hearing that. See if we can get it to do it again. There you go. Hear that? That was so good. We know it's going to stay. Okay, now it's time for us to add the other beads. I got this one. I think it matches pretty good. And I have misplaced my other bead. We're just going to put a round one on there. Let me find another one of them. I've lost the other one. There we go. Nope, that's broken. There we go. Okay. And we're going to slide that down in the round bead. Okay, so, see, can you guys see that? With this, it goes back just a little bit. See, it kind of hangs toward the back because of that loop. So we're going to go in there and we're going to bend it to where it's more straight. There we go. Oops, sorry. There you go. That's a lot better. Now we're going to do the same for this. You see there? You see how because of that circle, that earring kind of wants to go backward and not straight down. So we're going to go in there into that circle there. We're just going to bend it. There we go. It's a little better. Okay. So we are technically very close to being done. Getting to that second there we go. That second loop. We're going to bend it once. Stop that bead from coming off. Going to use that as that measurement I was telling you about. Beat it down again and pull it down again. There you go. See that? I'm going to do the second one like that. Oh, and definitely make sure that bead don't come off. Okay, so we're going to do that just a tip of the teeth just so I can grab it. I'm going to bend it once. Use that spot in here, or for you, whichever measurement you want to use. This is approximately actually a little bitty less than half an inch and bend it back again, and there you go. There you go, guys. A perfectly acceptable and saleable cute little pair of earrings. I forgot, for me, this is a very important part, is to go on and rim the, just make sure there's no, ugh, you hear that? Make sure there's no sharp spots. Like, you can always tell when it sounds like that. Well, okay, guys. There's a perfectly acceptable and sellable pair of earrings. That is absolutely awesome. There you go. And until next time, continue beading.